Hello guys, you're welcome to the Crypto Net channel, and you know how we do it here. We share tons and tons of valuable information on what you can do to make money on the internet. And today I want to talk about how you can earn crypto, as a crypto writer, as a crypto content writer, right? Okay, so this is what you learn when you watch these videos till the end. You will know where you can earn the money from. You will know how to earn the money, okay, how to withdraw your income, then how you can earn with the existing content that you've created before, and also earn money from the ambassadorship program. Okay, so if you're as the ambassador, you also earn a monthly income from that. Okay, so now let's go to the main thing real quick. Okay, so this is the platform I'm talking about, the Publish0x platform. Okay, so I have an account here. The account username is AutoFreak. That's my account, as you can see from here. So let me refresh so that I can be sure that this is not a screenshot I'm sharing with you. Okay, so now uh I've been in the platform for some years now, since 2019. I only have 2 followers. Even the 2 followers, I got them recently. Okay, so I made a post some days back, and that post got like 554 views and 0.31 dollar, from that, right? So, but that's not the main thing. Here is something I want you guys to understand. Okay, if you are on this platform and you post stuff consistently, okay, you will earn money from that. But before I even go into further details, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel. This is a crypto channel, and we have like 863 subscribers right now. We look forward to having like thousands of subscribers, and it is you that can help us achieve all of these things. Okay, you can help achieve these things. So share this channel with your friends, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button. Okay, there are lot and lot of valuable content that will help you jumpstart your career in the crypto and the blockchain industry here. Okay, so just put as many as you can, and there are a lot of playlists for you also that you can just open up those playlists and watch a lot of valuable content from that point. All right, so look at this guy. His name is Cryptonatus, and he's been on the platform for like 2 years now. I think like 2 years and a few months. That's February 2020, and he's got like 5,816 followers. That is, I don't think it is hard to get followers on this platform, because if you, as long as you keep providing valuable content to people, people want to follow you. And I think that this guy can even monetize his followers, but he doesn't really know much about how to go about that, because he can reach out to a lot of crypto projects, and by writing for them, you can earn quite a number of money through that, instead of relying on Publish0x. That is also one of the ways you can make money from Publish0x platform. All right, so I got like tons of content over here. Even this year alone, this guy already earned like $168.6, almost $150 on the platform. Okay, that's amazing. Just by writing, doing what he likes, what he knows how to do best. All right. So, and some days is $2, some days are like 2.2, 2.1, 5 point something. I think there was a day he got like 94.60. Okay, that was massive. All right. So earning on the platform is not really as difficult. You look at this, it's not really as difficult as most people think. You just need to write something like 300 words, 200 words per day, and share on the platform. But let it be something that is valuable to others. All right. So, and the reason why I'm saying that you should try this platform out, because I'm going to be sharing the link down below so they can sign up on the platform. So, the reason I'm saying you should try it out is that a lot of you write on WhatsApp, you update your WhatsApp post almost every day, every other day. You write on Facebook, you get a lot of shares, you get a lot of likes. Why can't you post all of these things on Publish0x? Okay, so, and the good thing is that I wanted to be sure that, is it possible to cross post your article from one platform to the to Publish0x? But I think right now, if you're on Medium, probably, I know some of you guys, you've been on Medium for a while, and you've been publishing articles on Medium. Some of you have like 50 articles on Medium, you have like 100 articles on Medium. You can start publishing those articles, cross post them on Publish0x. So what I mean by cross post them is that the article belongs to you. You're not copying someone else's work, right? Copy the contents and paste it on Publish0x and add your link. Just stating that, okay, this article belongs to me, and I'm republishing this article on Publish0x. All right. So once you do that, then they know that, okay, you are trying to republish the article also on Publish0x. And let's see if you can find about the domain authority of this platform. Domain. I want to be sure if it makes sense for SEO. Domain authority checker. Okay, so let's check out this domain authority checker and see. Uh, let's see if Publish0x even stand any chance. Publish0x.com. All right, so let's check this. So I'm not a robot. Let's see if the domain authority makes sense. Okay, the backlinks to this website is over 1 million. All right now, and the website linking and all that. Okay, so I think domain authority is not the domain rating is not bad. That is 73% out of 100. It's not bad. Okay, and when you look at the domain authority of platforms like Medium.com, okay, that's one of the reasons why I prefer Medium for my article publishing. Okay, so when you look at this, Medium will definitely have an edge. Okay, but also this platform is not doing badly because of the fact that Medium has been existing for several years before Publish0x, and Medium is for everybody, but Publish0x is only for crypto article publication, crypto content only. So if they have like 74 domain ranking, it's not bad. Okay, so it means that if you optimize your article on Publish0x, it will also rank on Google. Okay, just apply all of these medium SEO secret I taught you guys, apply it on Publish0x, you are likely going to get a similar result. Okay, so when you look at this now, let me refresh this so that you guys don't think that I'm sharing a screenshot with you. So this is not a screenshot. Okay, so look at this article I published some months ago. It got 19,500 views from Google and 6,000, sorry, over 600 hours, of members read this. Members on this platform read this article. So now what I'm saying in essence is that if this is the case, right? If this is the case, then I now decide to publish this on Publish0x, okay? And it's on this platform. I could have earned way more than that, okay? But on Medium, I have earned nothing, okay? I've earned nothing from, by publishing this article on the platform and ranking it on Google. But if you put in the same effort on this platform, you definitely earn money from that, okay? That is about cross-posting your article, existing article or content on Publish0x, okay? And I'm going to be doing that, and there is no harm in that because I even asked on the platform, like I asked them, and I repost some of my articles that I publish on Medium. I asked the question, this is my username, content name, right? So the founder said that yes, provided those are your posts, that is the condition. So I already asked this question on your behalf. Provided they are your posts, I'm not taken from another website or author. That is the condition. All right. So as long as you fulfill that condition, okay, then you are good to go. That is the logic. Okay, that's the logic. So you can always cross post and earn money from that, or even make a new kind of post and earn money through that. So it is not as difficult as you guys may think. Okay, so how do you withdraw your income? I think there was an article about that. Let me check. Where is it? I think you can withdraw your income like every Monday. Okay, it's because I've not really earned enough from here, so that is why this is showing this value. So assuming that I had enough, I can just come here and click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, I'll just go to KuCoin, and if you don't have KuCoin account yet, then check the link down below also. I'll go to KuCoin and provide my the address, and also maybe copy my FTM, like a phantom wallet address, which is something as your Ethereum address, and also use to initiate withdrawal also on this platform. So once you have the minimum requirement, then you are good to go. Okay, so they pay you like every Monday. Like I said, every Monday you can withdraw from the platform. So imagine that you're making like $20 per week on the platform by publishing content. Okay, that will go a long way. By the time you have like 1,000, 2,000 followers, which is easy on the platform, which is possible on the platform, by the time you have that amount of followers, then you can reach out to, you can pull out the statistics that, okay, you get a lot of views on your content. Show these statistics to project, and let them know what you're capable of doing, and they will be willing to partner with you. Okay, they'll be willing to partner with you on a sponsored article, on a sponsored post on the platform. Okay, so these are ways you can make money on Publish0x. Or maybe you want to join their ambassadorship program. You want to become the ambassador. It's not really as hard as difficult as that. So just scroll down to the bottom of the website. Let me go back. Okay, let me just scroll down to, I think where did I, okay, here is it. Just come to the ambassador program. Once you refer as many people as possible, then you can join the program. It's as simple as that and straightforward. Okay, look at the leaderboard. So every month they give like $40 to whoever is the winner. Okay, that referred most people for that month. Okay, look at this guy now. He referred like 190 people for this month. Okay, maybe by telling his friends about Publish0x. Okay, so and he's gonna be getting like $40 from it, you know, and this will end. This is going to end in the next 1 day, 12 hours. Okay, that is not bad. Okay, that is not bad also. So if you're even the second position, you get $30 from for that. Okay, that is pretty good. If you ask me, it's pretty good. So when you look at this contest again, people that you refer, you earn like 5% of whatever they make on the platform. Okay, so that's also the beauty of it. So it is more or less like you are doing an affiliate marketing for the platform. All right, for the platform. Okay, so these are ways you can make money, you can earn money on the platform as a content creator. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've got the entire information, and I hope this information will help you, and I hope you're going to take action, because it's not really about watching all of these videos, it's about taking the right action. So if you have any question about what I've said so far, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Okay, ask me anything about what I've said so far. If there's anything you need clarification on, just ask me. I'll be here to answer all your questions. Okay, so when you subscribe, turn on your notification button, like and make comments, share with your friends. And also don't forget to join us on Telegram. We have a Telegram community. And also if you want to join us on WhatsApp, join the Telegram community and request for the WhatsApp link to join us also on WhatsApp. Alright, so that's all I have to tell you guys about how to write crypto content and hear from me today. See you guys in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.